Baby baths. Introduction. Should you bathe newborns every day? Select yes or no. Correct. Bathing babies more than 2 to 3 times a week can cause dry, sensitive skin. Drying your baby with a warm towel immediately after bath time can help prevent rashes. Select true or false. Correct. It can also help prevent your baby from getting too cold. All newborns should be given sponge baths until the umbilical cord falls off. Select true or false. Correct. This could take 2 to 3 weeks after birth. When giving a tub bath, you should put your baby in the tub first and then fill it with water. Select true or false. Correct. Never fill a tub bath with your baby already in it. Shannon is bathing her baby. She left the bottle of baby shampoo across the room. Her baby's head is above the water. Is it okay for Shannon to let go of her baby to grab the shampoo? Select yes or no. Correct. You should always hold on to your baby with at least one hand and never leave your baby unattended during bath time. Is filling a tub bath with 4 to 5 inches of water safe for your baby? Select yes or no. Correct. The statement is false. Only fill the tub with 2 to 3 inches of warm water to help prevent drowning. Thank you for using Explain.